Instrument and accessories display. Prepare the discharge rod. Pull out the copper rod to switch from AC to DC. DC output, take the rod out. AC output, built in the rod. AC high voltage test. Instrument wiring. First, ground the transformer. Connect test cables. Connect the HV output cable. Connect the power cable. Instrument operation. Setting time. Turn on the switch. Turn the knob to 0, yellow indicator light on. Press the closing button, the red indicator light on. Start to slowly boost voltage. View the voltmeter reading, read black value on the upper part. Stop to boost voltage when it came 50 kV, the voltage depends on demand. Time 1 minute. Close the timer. Start to reduce voltage until the yellow light comes on. Press the opening button, turn off the switch, and remove the power cable. Disconnect wiring. Before disconnecting the wiring, use the discharge rod to discharge the equipment. Remove HV output cable and test cables. Finally, remove the ground cable. DC high voltage test. Pull out the copper rod to switch from AC to DC. Instrument wiring. Same as AC. First, ground the transformer. Connect test cables. Connect the power cable. Ground the filter capacitor. Connect the red HV cable to the filter capacitor. Pour water to the water resistor. Install the water resistor to the top of transformer. Install microammeter. Connect the HV output cable. Instrument operation. Setting time. Turn on the switch. Turn the knob to 0, yellow indicator light on. Press the closing button, the red indicator light on. Start to slowly boost voltage. View the voltmeter reading, read red value on the upper part. Stop to boost voltage when it came 70 kV. The voltage depends on demand. Time 1 minute. Close the timer. Start to reduce voltage until the yellow light comes on. Press the opening button, turn off the switch, and remove the power cable. Disconnect wiring. Before disconnecting the wiring, use the discharge rod to discharge the equipment. Remove HV output cable and test cables. Finally, remove the ground cable. Remove the filter capacitor, microammeter, and water resistor. Notice for water resistor, pour out the water, dry it and store.